Hey there, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 113. It's July 25th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. A student just proved you can create an entire 100-page comic on a cheap phone using only ChatGPT. The creator tested this for months with a story called Tinky and Boca, a post-apocalyptic road tale. Most people run into the same wall when they try AI for art. Characters change their faces or clothes from one image to the next, and backgrounds shift like someone moved the whole scene overnight. This creator solved it with one steady rule. Every prompt asks for a complete finished page instead of a single panel, and it always repeats the exact same character and setting details. Think of it like handing an artist the same reference photo and lighting notes before each new drawing. The AI stops guessing and starts treating those details as fixed rules. That approach turns random doodles into something that feels like one connected world across dozens of pages. For anyone who loves comics or graphic novels but does not have art classes at school, this opens a new door. You can build a short story for a class project or just for fun, all on a regular phone. The creator's bigger plan is a full 100-page book made entirely on a $99 Android phone, showing you do not need fancy gear to tell longer visual stories. You can test the same method yourself right now. Open ChatGPT on your phone. Describe one character in detail the first time, then keep reminding it to use that exact description for every full page. Start with just 3 pages and notice how the faces and clothes stay consistent instead of drifting. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, where we look under the hood at how this actually works. You know how when you are texting with the same group of friends every day, your phone starts remembering the way you usually talk and suggests words that sound like you. Now picture the same idea but with pictures instead of words. The AI keeps a running list of every detail you have already shown it about a character's face, clothes, and the world around them. Each new page prompt includes those details again, so the model treats them like fixed rules instead of starting fresh every time. That list of details works like a shared notebook the AI checks before drawing anything new. When the notebook stays the same across prompts, the characters stop changing randomly and the story feels like one connected world. The real magic is that the AI is not remembering like a person. It is just getting the same instructions repeated so it follows the same pattern. Once you see it that way, keeping a comic consistent stops feeling like magic and starts feeling like careful note-taking. The notebook idea also explains why the full-page trick works better than asking for single panels. The AI gets the whole set of rules in one go instead of piecing things together later. That simple shift in how you talk to the model is what turns it from a random doodler into a reliable storytelling partner. Meta AI just learned to check your calendar and run real tasks for you. It can now look at your schedule, plan events, and do deeper research while you steer the conversation in plain language. Think of it like having a helpful assistant who actually gets things done instead of just chatting back and forth. Anyone who uses Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook can try it today because the same Meta AI already lives inside those apps. Go to any of those apps, tap the Meta AI button, and ask it something like, "Help me plan a study session next week using my calendar." Watch how it suggests times and even creates a simple schedule you can edit. Claude's voice mode now runs on the company's most capable models. It can read your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack while talking with you, and it is the only major voice assistant that can actually write and send an email just from your spoken instructions. Imagine talking to a friend who can pull up your notes and turn them into a finished message without you typing a single word. If you like talking instead of typing, this makes the experience feel more natural for school projects or creative work. You can try it on the Claude app on your phone. Just start a voice chat and ask it to help draft something or check your schedule out loud. ChatGPT can now search your Gmail, Slack, and Drive. A new work feature lets the AI look through your email, messages, and files to answer questions like, "What did my teacher say about the history project?" It turns scattered information into quick answers without you digging through folders yourself. Open weights models keep getting attention from people who want to use powerful tools someone else already paid to train. It is like borrowing a really good bike instead of buying one. You get the ride without the full cost. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts on tech, science, and markets, each one a short, sharp briefing you can finish on the commute. If today earned its place in your feed, here's your next listen. OmniView, a balanced daily world news briefing that takes every side seriously. Find every show free at naranetwork.com. And on the website, every episode's visuals live in our free image gallery at naranetwork.com/gallery, royalty-free under Creative Commons, download with attribution. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.